I don't want you to waste your money. This is the Adzome M1 camera. Watch this video before you purchase one of these. You may not want it after watching this, or you may have to have it. We're gonna put it to a quick test and see how it performs. Let's go. We're gonna speed through the parts list right here. And right here's the cigarette style power cord. And then we've got the back camera, and then there's the front camera. It's got a nice little screen on it, pretty much standard. And then we've got instructions on how to install both front and back. And then we've got mounts, temporary and permanent. And this is how you get this on here. You just snap either one you want to on there. So there's the temporary one I got it snapped on. And then these are the control buttons on the side of this camera. So it's got some control buttons on here. It's got an SD card in it, and I'm just going to keep this on loop mode so that it's constantly recording and constantly deleting old stuff. So, you know, if something happens, you'll be able to pull this thing out and have it. This is the back mount sticker. So it's like a 3M type thing that you stick on there. Should hold pretty good. And then these right here are little pieces that you can use to hold the wiring up inside your vehicle. Always me, the only place on my Cadillac XT5 that has a cigarette lighter adapter is here in the back. And that's what this comes with, a cigarette lighter adapter. So I have to plug it in here. Red light comes on, lets you know it's getting power. There's the camera. So the camera is now getting power. And it's already started to load something up here. Oh. Camera installation. Right here, and then I think you just turn this, and now it's locked into place. And that's not going anywhere. I'll give them this. That thing is very secure right there. Okay, there's a QR code in the instructions. It'll take you to the app. Download the app. Make sure that you plug the camera in. Once the camera's plugged in, you can look at the instructions. It'll show you how to turn the Wi-Fi on. Once you get the Wi-Fi turned on the camera, you'll be able to go to your phone settings and go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for the camera's signal. And you'll see the camera's emitting a Wi-Fi signal, and you'll connect to that. You know, it's not actually Wi-Fi, it's actually just connecting you to the camera. Once you connect to that, you'll have control of the camera. You'll see these controls here, and the camera will start outputting, or it'll start showing video, and that's what's happening right here. Now that I'm connected, I can see video right here on my screen. So, recording audio while I'm sitting in this car, I'm assuming that you can hear the audio coming through the device itself. So, see my hand up here. I'm inside the car right now, and I'm talking inside the car. I'm assuming this audio is just that you can give commentary. And I'm just driving on an old country road, so you can see what this thing looks like whenever we're moving. And I think it does a pretty good job. That picture's pretty clear on there. I don't say get much clearer. Very nice. This has an alert if you are about to go off the road, if you like leave a lane. So that's another option that's on here. I'm not going to go into all the options, but I thought this was kind of cool, and so I tested it out, and it sure did work. Here I am snapping the rear camera into place. I am not going to install this in the rear. I just wanted to show you what this rear camera looks like. I have no intentions of using this thing, but I wanted you to be able to see a little bit of it. It's pitch black here, and I'm looking at myself in the rear camera. I just wanted you to see what this looks like at night. That's the front camera there. It's pitch black. Of course, I'll have my headlights on them when I'm driving, but, you know, just wanted to let you see what it looks like in the complete darkness. This is me patrolling the streets in the dead of the night like some kind of wannabe cop. Like a rent-a-cop, if you will. Just kidding. I just wanted you to see this video at night. This is me just cruising around, and this is what it looks like. I pulled this directly off the camera. One thing I didn't mention is the app on your phone will allow you to download any videos that you want off that camera, off that SD card that's on the camera, or you can just pop the SD card out and put it in a computer. Also, the rear camera will go into full screen mode. I didn't test that out on here, but I did see it and it does work. If you'd like to order one of these cameras, there will be an Amazon link in the description of this video and also one of the comments. These cameras run about $39 right now on Amazon. I think it's a pretty clear camera, clearest one I think I've ever had. Got forward and reverse action on it. I think that's pretty cool. Even though this thing will record while your car's sitting idle, it got a little warm on me, and I don't like that. I'm gonna leave this thing unplugged unless I'm actually in the car. Nice little camera, good looking, sleek, easy to use. Pretty much all you gotta do is connect this thing to the Wi-Fi on your phone and you're ready to go. I want to thank you so much for watching Tony's Reviews today, and God bless you.